pun makin cepat bagi proses teks tiap siu.
The Khnam National Awakening Movement Khnam met the Chief Secretary today and submitted a memorandum seeking to know the progress made by the expert committee on the state reservation policy. Khnam's working president, Thomas Passa, said that they were informed that the committee last met on November 23rd and will again reconvene on December 6th. Following this, the expert committee will receive proposals from all political parties and interested parties, Passa added.
He has informed us that the expert committee has held a meeting on the 23rd of this month. That was the first meeting. The second meeting will be held on the 6th of December. And the third meeting will be held in Shillong. Because these two meetings are online meetings, which has been conducted by the expert committee. And the third meeting will be in Shillong. And after that, all the political parties, the stakeholders, the NGOs, whoever is concerned about this issue, they will be notified through the press and media to submit recommendation to the expert committee.
The East Janta Hills